twisters coming to you with another video.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hey guys, for those of you who doesn't speak English, I'm very sorry because the video gonna be a partial English and Creole, okay? Because the video is dedicated especially for one of my husband friend who wanna know how to fry plantain, okay? So nou men ki yo pale Creole, m vraiment sorry parce que video an pral an parti anglais la dan parce que video an pou zanmi marim ki bezwen konnen ki jan yo fry plantain. I'm making a sauce today for my chicken. I'm gonna do a garlic butter chicken thigh today. It's so easy and it's so delicious. So all the ingredients I'm showing you guys, you don't really need all of them. The one you really need, I'm gonna put them in the description below for you. Okay, I'm making my sauce here. You're gonna see why I need this sauce later on. Basically, you just need the onion salt, the butter, garlic, parmesan cheese, and barbecue sauce. I'll put the measurement down below like I said, okay? My chicken, I already wash it, I already season it. I'm gonna put it under the oven. For what I put on it for seasoning, it's black pepper and a little bit of salt. That's it. And then I put it under the oven for 425 for 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and put some hot pepper because I love spicy food, and I'm gonna dip the chicken in the sauce. Don't forget the parmesan cheese, guys, parce que c'est lui-même qui pral bon taste là, okay? Deeply on the sauce, et puis m'a mettre le back dans le four for like 20 more minutes, okay? So the chicken will be so juicy, and the chicken ou pas chèche, bien juicy. Little retirer, ou après fliply. You're gonna flip it over when you take it out for you to have the color that you desire, okay? Ou après retirer le four ou virer pour ka garder couleur ou vle, sou vle crispy. Hey Mr. V, you know who you are. I cannot say your name for your privacy, so let's make plantain together. My sister Francine was showing off. She thinks she know how to peel plantain better than I do. She thinks she know how to make plantain better than I do. I'm having some fun with her. Yeah, but the way you see me making the plantain, I'm the one in pink, she's in black. That's the way for you to do it, okay Mr. V? Let's do it together. So we're gonna peel the plantain. First, if your plantain is inside the refrigerator, take it out for it to be cool because it's gonna be easy to peel. If it's too cold, it's so difficult to peel, okay? Or if it is difficult, just put it under the hot water. We have 3 ways we like to do it. The way Fason is cutting it now is too chunky. It's not gonna cook well inside. I don't like that way. So the way I'm doing it, so I really like it. That's my favorite. I would love for you to choose my own way. Please, people who's watching the video, dim ki yes, même là nous connaît haïtien yo nous connaît fribanan déjà, mais dim ki yes ki pi favorite nous ki jan nous couper plantain nous, because I find it really easy when I cut it that way. Before I go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friend, abone, patage ak zanmou yo, subscribe, okay? Say, Francine a coupé façon qui pi petit. Francine is doing this the other way. She cut it very, very small. We're not gonna press that one. We're just gonna put it to cook, okay? Well, I'm putting it in to cook. So, I did not want to get burned, okay? So, you're gonna check, you're gonna really keep your eye on your plantain. You're gonna check when the color starts changing on the bottom. That's when you're gonna flip it over. When you see the color change, you flip it over on the other side, okay? And then when you see the other side is the same color with the first one, you just take it out for you to take the oil off of it, and then you just press it. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to press it. I have something we use back home. We call it pez. That's what I'm gonna use today, but I'm gonna show you the second one, which is maybe you take 2 plates or you take a plate and a cup, anything with 2 flat surface. That's what you use, okay? You can use anything you have at home. So because I don't think you're gonna find pears anywhere where you are. If you do, power to you. So let's enjoy the video and look how I do it. But remember, your plantain is cooked. Don't press too hard on it. My chicken is out here. My chicken is so juicy. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, patage, abone. Femme connectée à santé puisse let me know which one you like. If it's number 1, 2, or 3. Don't forget, I love you all. I can't wait to come with my next video. Bye.